145 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add to the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14. This process will continue. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 2. 0 times 2 0, subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 14 how many times? 2 goes into 14 7 times. 7 times 2 14, subtract 0, bring down the next digit. 0 5 means 5. 2 goes into 5 how many times? 3 times 6, which is greater, so 2 times. 2 times 2 4, subtract 1, so our answer is 72, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take a decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2, that gives you 10. Subtract, you are getting 0 as remainder. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 72.5. 72.5.